Welcome to our channel, everybody. Today we're talking about relationships, and not just any relationship, but that special someone. You know, we've got 7 secrets to make her feel safe and win her trust. Because let's be honest, trust is the foundation of any good relationship, right? It's like the base of a giant, delicious relationship cake. You can't have the frosting and sprinkles without a strong base. So stick around because these secrets are about to make your love life a whole lot sweeter. 1. Be honest and transparent. All right, secret number 1 is a biggie. Be honest and transparent. This is the foundation of any strong relationship. Without honesty, trust crumbles. And without trust, love can't flourish. I mean, it seems obvious, right? But you'd be surprised how many people try to build trust on little white lies. They think they're protecting their partner's feelings, but in reality, they're just creating cracks in the foundation. Oh, this old shirt? I totally didn't just buy it. These small lies might seem harmless, but they add up over time, eroding trust bit by bit. Honesty, my friends, it's not just about telling the truth. It's about being open, being real, even when it's scary. It's about sharing your thoughts, your fears, your dreams, and your mistakes. Think of it like this. You know those glass kitchens you see on those fancy cooking shows? Everything's out in the open, no secrets, just pure, delicious honesty. You can see every ingredient, every step of the process. That's what we're going for here. Now, I'm not saying you have to tell her every single thought that pops into your head. Some things are better left unsaid, and that's perfectly fine. Let's not go crazy. Nobody needs to hear about that weird dream you had about a talking giraffe. But when it comes to the things that matter, the things that affect your relationship, you need to be upfront. But when it comes to important things, be upfront. Be real. Be vulnerable. It's about showing your partner that you trust them enough to let them see the real you, flaws and all. It shows her you trust her enough to let her see the real you, flaws and all. This kind of openness fosters a deeper connection, one that's built on mutual respect and understanding. And trust me, that's a major turn-on. When you can be your true self with someone, it creates a bond that's hard to break. So be honest, be transparent, and watch your relationship thrive. 2. Show consistency. So you've been honest, you've been open, you're basically a walking truth bomb, great. But honesty is just the beginning. It's the foundation upon which everything else is built. Now it's time for secret number 2, show consistency. This is where the magic really happens. Because actions speak louder than words. Or as I like to say, don't just talk the talk, dance the dance. It's about making sure your actions align with your words. Consistency is about showing up, again and again being the person you promised you'd be. It's about being there in the small moments and the big ones. It's about saying you'll pick up the dry cleaning and then actually doing it, not just leaving it in the dryer for a week. It's about following through on your commitments, no matter how small they may seem. It's about being reliable, being dependable, being the rock she can always count on. When you say you'll be there, you show up. No excuses. Think of it like your favorite coffee shop. You go there because you know exactly what you're going to get. That perfect latte, that comfy chair, that weird painting of a dog wearing a monocle. You go there because you know exactly what you're going to get. That perfect latte, that comfy chair, that weird painting of a dog wearing a monocle. It's a place where you feel at home. It's familiar, it's comforting, it's consistent. You know what to expect, and that brings a sense of security and peace. And that's what you want to be in a relationship, her favorite coffee shop. A place of comfort, reliability, and joy. Minus the monocle-wearing dog, unless that's your thing, then hey, you do you. The key is to be consistent in your actions and words, creating a safe and loving environment. 3. Respect her boundaries. All right, secret number 3 is all about boundaries. And no, I'm not talking about those invisible lines you draw in the middle of the bed, although those are important too. I'm talking about respecting her personal space, her need for alone time, her opinions, even when they differ from yours. Everyone needs their space, right? It's like that drawer in your house that you're not allowed to open. You don't know what's in there, but you know it's important to respect the boundary. Respecting her boundaries shows her that you value her as an individual, that you see her as her own person, with her own thoughts and feelings. It's like saying, hey, I love spending time with you, but I also respect your need to binge watch that entire season of reality TV without me judging you. Okay, maybe don't say it exactly like that, but you get the idea. 4. Be a good listener. Secret number 4 is so simple, yet so many people get it wrong. Are you ready? Be a good listener. And I don't mean just nodding your head and saying, uh-huh, while you're thinking about what to have for dinner. I mean really listening, paying attention, engaging with what she's saying. Think of it like watching your favorite movie. You're not just staring at the screen, you're invested in the story, you're laughing at the jokes, you're maybe even shedding a tear or two when the dog dies. Okay, maybe not the dog dying part, but you get the point. When you truly listen to someone, you're showing them that you value their thoughts, their feelings, their experiences. You're saying, hey, what you have to say is important to me and I'm here for it. And that, my friends, is the foundation of a strong and trusting relationship. 5. Support her dreams. All right, secret number 5 is all about being the ultimate cheerleader. We're talking about supporting her dreams, her ambitions, her crazy ideas, even if they involve starting a business that sells only left-handed spatulas. Why? Because supporting her dreams shows her that you believe in her, that you see her potential, that you're in her corner no matter what. It's like saying, hey, I know you can achieve anything you set your mind to, and I'm here to cheer you on every step of the way. Now, supporting her dreams doesn't mean you have to quit your job and become her full-time assistant. Unless, of course, that's something you're both into. But it does mean being there for her, offering encouragement, celebrating her victories, and being a shoulder to cry on when things get tough. 6. Be patient. Okay, secret number 6 is a tough one, even for me. Are you ready? Be patient. I know, patience is not always easy, especially when you're waiting for your favorite show to come back on Netflix. But when it comes to building trust, patience is key. Rome wasn't built in a day, and neither is a strong, trusting relationship. It takes time, it takes effort, and yes, it takes a whole lot of patience. Think of it like growing a garden. You can't just plant a seed and expect a beautiful flower to bloom overnight. You have to water it, you have to give it sunlight, you have to sing to it occasionally. Okay, maybe not the singing part, but you get the idea. Building trust is a process, and it's important to be patient and let it unfold naturally. 7. Show appreciation. And finally, secret number 7 is all about showing appreciation. It's about recognizing the effort and love your partner puts into the relationship. Because let's be honest, everyone likes to feel appreciated, right? It's a universal need to feel valued and acknowledged. It's like getting a surprise present on a random Tuesday. It doesn't have to be a grand gesture. Even the smallest acts can make a big impact. It just makes you feel good. It brings a smile to your face and warmth to your heart. Showing appreciation doesn't have to be complicated or expensive. It's about the thought and effort behind the gesture. It's the little things that count. A heartfelt thank you, a handwritten note, a simple text message saying you care, a surprise cup of coffee in the morning. These small acts of kindness can brighten up her day. It's about noticing the things she does for you, big or small, and acknowledging them, and letting her know that you appreciate her. A simple thank you can go a long way in making her feel valued. Think of it like this. Remember that time she surprised you with tickets to your favorite band? That feeling of joy and excitement? Or that time she made your favorite dinner even though she had a long day at work? Those moments are priceless. Those little gestures of love and appreciation, they mean the world. They strengthen the bond between you two. So, take the time to do the same for her. Show her that you notice and appreciate her efforts. Trust me, it'll make all the difference. A little appreciation can go a long way in keeping the love alive. So there you have it, folks. 7 secrets to make her feel safe and win her trust. Remember, building a strong and trusting relationship takes time, effort, and a whole lot of heart. But trust me, it's worth it. Because when you have trust, you have the foundation for something truly special. Thank you for watching. If you found these tips helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more relationship advice. See you in the next video.